Ever wonder where your tax refund is after you filed? Let's find out easily. First, head over to the official Income Tax Department's website. You'll want to look for a section specifically labeled Check Refund Status or Track Your Tax Refund. This is usually on the homepage or under a Taxpayer Services tab. Once you find it, you'll typically need to enter a few key pieces of information. This will usually include your Social Security number or PAN, the tax year for which you're claiming the refund, and sometimes the exact amount of the refund you're expecting. After filling in the details, simply click the Submit or Check Status button. The portal will then display the current status of your refund. Common statuses include processing, approved, or sent to bank. If your refund has been approved and is being processed, you might see an estimated date for when you can expect to receive your funds, whether it's a direct deposit or a mailed check. If you encounter an error message, double-check that you've entered all the information correctly. Often, a simple typo is the cause of the issue. Make sure your Social Security number or PAN, tax year, and refund amount are accurate. If you're still unable to find your refund status or believe there's a problem, you can usually find contact information for the tax department's customer support on their website. They can provide more personalized assistance. And that's how you can stay on top of your tax refund. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.